Hello! Today we're going to review the primary functionality of the Seatmap Editor. Seatmap is a powerful seat mapping tool that allows you to create, render, and manage your seating plans on the fly. Let's start with the main screen. On the left, you can see the list of created venues with names, locations, and number of seating configurations. A venue can have multiple configurations, each representing a different layout for the same place. You can filter the venue list by name or location, as well as changing the sorting order. On the right, you can see detailed information about the venue you've selected and the various configurations for it. You can choose to display maps that are published or placed in draft. From there, you can either import an existing schema in .smp format or create a new one from scratch. Now we move on to the venue editing. First, let's create a small venue called Zeus Theater, located in Athens, Greece. Seatmap allows you to make detailed and accurate maps with just a few clicks. Our main tool here is the Seat Rows brush. With that, you can quickly create a whole new seating section. The instrument panel on the right allows you to make a number of adjustments to your section. For instance, you can rename it, assign row labels on one or two sides, add an outline, add rows on the top or bottom of the section, rotate the seats, curve the seats, stretch them, or change the venue shape. More on that a bit later. A double click on the section allows for even more customization. For instance, you can select and move a part of the seating arrangement, or even delete it. If your venue has tables, you can create them by using the Table tool. Parameters of the created tables are just as easily controlled here, from the seat count on each side of the table to the direction of the seat numbering. To make a seating layout more understandable, you can add basic shapes and assign names to them. For instance, I can create a circle to serve as a scene for the theater. I will also add a few other elements to make my layout complete. If that is not enough, you can import SVG files through the underlay function. If you need help with controls, you can hover over the keyboard icon on the bottom right and see the list for all the hotkeys that you would need for a smooth editing process. After you are done creating your new venue, you can click Save in the right corner of the screen and then publish your seat map to make it accessible for rendering. You can also see the preview of the seating plan to find out how it will look for the customer. Now let's try something bigger. For instance, you want to make a football stadium called Play Arena located in Lisbon, Portugal. For quickly managing sections, you can use the Venue Shape tool, which we carefully designed specifically for the big ticketing players, cutting down the time to create a large arena with tens of thousands of seats to just a few hours. With the Venue Shape tool, Each section that you are creating will adhere to a certain angle and position on the map. And that about covers our quick rundown through the editor. If you want to have more information, as well as request access to the test account, you can visit our website at seatmap.pro. Thank you for your attention.